Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for a way to organize your tools, you're going to want to check out this power tool organizer from DJINGARI. This tool organizer has been working great for my husband's work trailer. It comes with everything that you need and it's incredibly easy to assemble. It just takes like 5-10 minutes and is also really easy to install. There's 4 slots where you put the screws in and you're all done. It's also made out of a nice metal sturdy material, and if you have a mess like my husband did with all his tools just thrown in on a shelf, you're gonna wanna definitely check out this power tool organizer because you can fit so many different things in here. We've got wrenches and mallets, hammers, levels, batteries, battery chargers, drills, so many things that you can hang on here for easy access. It also just makes it less of an eyesore. It makes everything look nice and clean when it's organized. There's even little slots in the back where you can put your screwdrivers and keep them nice and organized. Sometimes they can get hard to find, so this is a great solution. So if you're trying to organize your tools in your garage or even your work trailer, definitely check out this power tool organizer from DJINGARI. It's going to make your life feel so much more organized. Things are going to be way easier to find. You're going to love it, and that's my point of view.